Ready?
Excuse me, sir. Why do people like popcorn so much? You don't know? What about Bengay? Do you think Bengay works? You don't think so?
Not at all.
You don't know?
Somebody's coming.
Somebody's coming? Okay. Yeah, it says we're recording. Alright, you gotta go back and try it again.
Fuck that.
Go from there. Wasn't even good.
Oh, dude, I don't know this shit. Whatever.
Come on.
Eric, you made it. We're taping a video.
Let's see if fuckers hit the jump. Wreck or something.
You can't, you guys don't see.
I'm gonna fucking punch you in the eye. Alright.
Hey, I'm back, and I've got a gun. We just took Jay Leno. And we beat him up with this machine gun right here. Yeah. That's why I went to jail last night, bitches. I ain't going back this time. If I go back to jail, I'll tell you what. This motherfucker right here, bam, bam, will kill you all. And I'm going back to jail, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright? That's right, you bitches. I ain't gonna.
When?
Hey! I'm Captain Morgan and I got my Captain Hook. I'm from the Wisconsin city of Nebraska. Hey! I'm Captain Morgan.
Right?
And please come on my trip.
Is that it?
Nope, you better look back. We're going to Wisconsin, Nebraska, Colorado,
Oregon, Nevada.
wherever you want. Come along on my ship. I'm in my ship.
Attacking me on video.
Whatever you want to call it, just come along. Please come along.
You been?
No.
Do it, I dare you.
My name is Johnny. And my girlfriend is, my beautiful girlfriend is married, Violet Green, and someone else.
Let's zoom in on that nose.
Zoom in on that nose, I don't care what you do. My nose is broke, I don't care. I believe it's broke because I can't breathe out of it. Hey, get any more of those?
Don't hit me with that.
Hey,
Not fucking
have one of your bears. Such a heck.
What the fuck is this guy? What the fuck is that? I have no idea. Almost looks like Kenny, but it's not. Yeah.
Get a good view of him.
We're gonna find him again. Where the fuck did he go? Oh, there he is.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Shut up. The fucker's not even looking anymore. Look, he got a tennis racket on his back. Wow! Dead.
It is it?
I don't know.
He's leaving now. He's going upstream because of us. I'm gonna throw a wall. I can't throw that far.
No, I doubt it. Cracking his neck.
Let me honk him one more time.
Go ahead.
Hey!
I bet he's getting pissed, dude.
Still looking.
No, he's not.
I'm gonna holler again, then we're gonna leave, okay? Okay?
Alright.
Hey! You fishing?
Oh, shut up. Don't say that shit.
Catch anything?
Alright, let's get out of here.
You can't even see him when it's zoomed all the way out.
Car's coming. Truck coming, actually. We're on hitchhiking.